certificate. Baptist Conference of the Philippines, CCBC. Masbate Southern Luzon District. Liberia Community Baptist Church, Liberia, Masbate. Certificate of Honor is awarded to Pastor Jeff P. Bermeo for his commendable service as Associate Pastor, Youth Pastor of Liberia Community Baptist Church for a period of 5 years from 2019 to 2024. His life is an inspiration to all of us, and his ministry impact not only the church, but the community and the whole Burias Island as well. To God be the glory. Given this 29th day of September 2024, Liberia Community Baptist Church, Liberia, Masbate. 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 15 says, do your best to present yourself to God as one approved, a worker who does not need to be ashamed and who correctly handle the word of truth. Signed, Reverend Robinson G. Willis, Church Pastor, Reverend Ronel A. Marianito, Associate Pastor, Pastor Amador C. Baoso Jr., Associate Pastor. Another token na siguro pag may balay ka na dito, Pastor, amin yung pinakaunahan ako namin kung may butang. So, may verse dito na nilagay from Joshua chapter 24 verse 15. But for me as my house, we will serve the Lord. Maraming salamat.